好, welcome to my channel. I'm Susie the Phoenix. In this video, I'm talking about what is HSK126. HSK stands for 汉语水平考试 Chinese Proficiency Test. It's the official Chinese language exam internationally recognized for non-native Chinese speakers, just like TOEFL IELTS, which are for non-native English speakers. There are 6 levels from 1 to 6. One exam based on listening and reading. Writing only starts on level 3. There's a separate exam on speaking, which is called HSK. So this K stands for speaking. You take the exam when you're ready, or if you need to be, for example, or university admission. You don't need to take all exams from level 1 to 6. Each exam qualification only lasts for 2 years. This table shows 6 levels. In each level, you will learn this many of keywords and how many books are required to learn. In book 1, level 1, it says you will learn 150 words, but in reality, you will learn a lot more phrases on the way, because each words are mixed and matched. What I mean by that, for example, 大 means big, 家 means family or house, 大家 means everyone. Level 1 and level 2 only requires you to do the listening and reading, and all the exams will have pinyin provided along the Chinese words. This is the example of lesson 10 out of possible 15 lessons in level 1. They still consist of words. So level 1 probably requires about 40 hours if you only concentrate on the speaking and listening. And level 2 probably about the same. Okay, level 1 beginners, so phrase and simple question and answers. Level 2 probably more basic on everyday life. Level 3 intermediate, so equivalent to a GCSE standard in the UK. Level 3 starts with no pinyin, only have pinyin to help you read on new keywords. So if you want to carry on, go further in your Chinese learning, you probably need to start early, so build up a solid foundation on your reading, speaking and listening. Level 3 exams, the last exams, require you to write a sentence. They will give you a phrase like tennis. You have to recognize the words and make a sentence. For example, I like playing tennis with Dad. So simple sentences. Level 4 is much more advanced. They are much more wider topics outside basic everyday simple happenings. And a lot of university will accept HSK 4, but for Dan in Shanghai or Tsinghua in Beijing, they would probably require HSK 5. Level 5 and level 6, very high standard. Considering there are a lot of Chinese still can't read and write, if you can achieve level 4, you should be very proud of yourself. In this year, 2021, they're thinking of having level 7 to 9. That would definitely be an expert in Chinese. If you are interested in learning Chinese, please subscribe.
Thank you for watching. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or any suggestions, please write in the comment below. I will happily answer them for you. 谢谢你，再见。